gotta get there right away so she can give Donald a kiss and turn him back into a duck. Come on! Hold on, Donald. Let's go! Watch out for the fruit shake! Sorry, pal. We'll take a bounce-along ball so we can bounce along with Donald. Come on, everybody. Bounce along with us. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh, look out, everybody. Here comes some rocks. Let's bounce over the little rock. Bounce high, everybody. Next, there's a medium rock. Let's bounce higher. Wow, there's a really big rock. We need to bounce highest of all. Bounce highest, everybody. Gosh, we made it over all the rocks. Good bouncing, everybody. Oh no, Donald the Frog fell down a well. We need to rescue him. Don't worry, Donald. We'll get you out. Well, we got a rope, but we're going to need something to scoop Donald up. Maybe one of our mouse-tools can help us. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Anderson County and east central Kentucky, southwestern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, southeastern Shelby County and north central Kentucky, west central Woodford County and east central Kentucky until 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Shelbyville and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Harrisonville, Grievenberg, Avenstuk, Bridgeport, Evergreen, Alton, Farmdale, Nineveh, Mulville, Stringtown, Clifton, McBrayer, Tyrone, MCKES Crossroads and Milner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Gold keys, a giant fan, a bucket, or the mystery mouse-tool. Which mouse-tool can we use to scoop up Donald the Frog? The bucket? You betcha! Oh, we got ears. Say cheers! Let's turn the crank forwards to lower the bucket. Turn the crank forwards and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's turn the crank backwards to raise the bucket. Turn the crank and count backwards with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We saved Donald. Good job. Come on. Now let's go find Princess Daisy so she can give Donald a kiss and turn him back into a duck.